What's up guys? My name is Magpusao from Romblon State University, Romblon campus, and today we are going to discuss about compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest or compounding interest is interest calculated on the initial principal, on which also includes all of the accumulated interest of previous periods of deposit or loan. So meaning the interest in there is being converted into a principal unless we use the phrase interest is compounded or interest is converted. So here is the example to make it easy. So if we have a money that we want to transfer into the bank, so we deposit a example of 1,000 peso and the interest rate is about 10%. So in the first year, our money will become 1,500. So in the second year, our accumulated value is 1,100. So it becomes 1,110. So here is our formula in finding the compound interest, where f is equals to p times 1 plus I times n. So where f is compound the amount or accumulated value of p at the end of the term, and p is the present value or original principal. J is interest rate per year, I interest rate period, N total number of conversion periods, M number of conversions per year, T is for term, and to find the value of N is equals to T times N, I times J over M. So the meaning of interest compounded. So every week or annually equals N equals to 1. Every 6 months or half a year, N equals 2. Every week equals every 3 months or quarterly, N equals 3. Every month or monthly equals N equals to 4. So here is our example. Number 1, if 3,700 pesos is invested at 12% compounded semi-annually for 5 years. So first we have to write our given. So our present value is equals to 3,700. Our interest rate equals to 12%. Our time is equals to 5 years. M or number of conversion per year is 2 because 7 the word semi-annually. N is equals to T times N, where 2 times 5 equals to 10. Our I is J times M, or 0.12 times 2 is equals to 0.06. So next we are going to write our formula in finding the accumulated value of P at the end of the term, and we are going to substitute the following term. So next we are going to solve. So the answer for this is 6,626.14. Number 2. How much must be invested today in a saving account to realize 9,000 peso in 4 years if money earns at the rate of 4% compounded quarterly? So first we write our given. So our future value is equals to 9,000 peso. Our J or interest rate is 4%. Our time is 4 years. Our M is equals to 4 because of word compounded quarterly. Our N is equals to T times M, or is equals to 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Our I is equals to J times M. Our interest rate is 4%, so it becomes 0.04 times 4 is equals to 0.01.
So our formula in finding the present value is P equals to F times 1 plus I raised to negative n. So let's derive our formula. 9,000 times 1.01 raised to 16. So our final answer is 7,675.39. So our present value is 7,679.39. So let's do our exercises. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching.